Good day everyone, this is James again, and here's our problem for this video. So a right circular cylinder has a base diameter of 22 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. So what is the volume in cubic centimeters of the cylinder? So take note that we actually have the formula for the volume, which is pi r squared h. But we are actually missing with the radius. But since we have this concept of the circle that the diameter is just twice the radius, we can actually solve for r. So since our diameter is 22 centimeters, we can actually equate this into 2r, and thus to solve for r, we divide both sides by 2, and thus we have 11 equals r. Since we are now complete with the components, we can now solve for the volume, which is pi r squared h, and we just simply plug in the values. So our r here is 11 squared, and then our height here is 6. So thus we have 11 squared, where 21 times 6, and therefore we have 726 pi. So our answer is letter C. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.